Hello guys, this is Dhrupadan and welcome to Mobitron. In this video, we're gonna talk about a trick to set up WhatsApp using an international number. Sounds exciting, right? So without any further overdue, let's go to the video. For this trick, you need to install two applications on your device. The first one is Textnow and the second one is WhatsApp Business. So firstly, you have to make an account in your Textnow application. Make sure your location is turned off. If don't, then first turn off your location, then sign up here. You can go with any of this. After signing up your email ID, you have to select your area code. I am using 737, which is for specific for United States, and continue. Then select any number from this, then continue. So here your international number is ready. Now copy this number, then go to WhatsApp Business to access WhatsApp of this international number. Use a different number. Please make sure the country you have selected. We have the number of the United States, so we have to choose +1. Then copy your number here. And done. Yes. So here we have to write OTP, which we'll get from the Textnow application. As you can see, we get our OTP here. Copy your OTP here. Skip restore. Here you have to write your business name or your own name, whatever you want to enter. Please select any of the category. Then next. Notes now. Okay. So here your international WhatsApp number is ready. Hope you got to learn something new. If you enjoyed the video, please smash the like button and hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video.